Welcome to Choice Champions. The best tree stand umbrella is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any serious hunter looking to stay comfortable and protected from the elements while waiting for that perfect shot, ensuring that a sudden downpour or harsh sun doesn't cut your hunting trip short and ruin your chances of success. Number 5. Best Choice Products Rolling Umbrella Base. Introducing a revolutionary way to position your umbrella. With collapsible handles and 4 locking wheels, you can effortlessly move it anywhere in your yard, patio, or garden. This base provides a rock-solid anchor for your umbrella. Its substantial weight ensures it remains stable, even in heavy wind and rain. Designed to accommodate most umbrella poles, it features an adjustable knob to securely hold them in place. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your umbrella is firmly secured. Crafted with a durable concrete core and protected by a weather-resistant jacket, this base is built for longevity. It's designed to withstand the elements and last for many years. Its clean, black finish offers a subtly stylish look that complements any outdoor decor. It enhances your patio or garden without being obtrusive. What we like. This umbrella base offers unparalleled mobility with its integrated handles and locking wheels. If you frequently rearrange your outdoor space or need to move your umbrella to follow the sun, this is the perfect choice for you. Its substantial weight ensures stability even in windy conditions. What people say. The umbrella is large and provides excellent coverage from rain and sun. It is easy to set up and take down, which is a big plus when you're in a hurry. The material is durable and seems like it will last for a long time. Number 4. Muddy Huntsman Deluxe 17-foot ladder tree stand. Experience hunting like never before with this essential 17-foot ladder stand. Designed for comfort and security, it allows you to sit above your prey for extended periods. Crafted with a heavy-duty steel frame, this tree stand is built for durability and longevity. It's perfect for even the most rugged outdoor environments. Stay hidden and out of sight with its tall design and ultra-compact platform. This feature provides an enhanced and more successful hunting experience. Enjoy maximum comfort and security with an adjustable shooting rail, a flip-back seat, and a full-body fall arrest system. Safety and convenience are prioritized for long hunting sessions. This stand boasts a generous seat and footrest, supporting up to 300 pounds of person and gear. It's ready for any challenge you throw at it. What we like. Experience elevated hunting with this 17-foot ladder stand, designed for maximum stealth and comfort. If you're looking for a stable, elevated position to observe prey from a distance, this stand offers height and concealment you need. Its durable steel frame ensures it can withstand rugged use season after season. What people say. I like the adjustable rest. I have one set pretty low for bow and one set as a rest for rifle. Comfortable to sit in for long time. A solid yet lightweight stand. Easy to use and very comfortable. Number 3. Muddy the Boss one-person hang-on tree stand. Discover the ultimate advantage with this premium hang-on tree stand. It's designed for a single hunter, providing a secure and elevated position for effortless big game hunting. Built with robust steel, it supports up to 300 pounds. The silent strap system ensures you remain undetected, allowing for stealthy approaches without alerting your prey. Experience superior comfort with the innovative FlexTech seat. It conveniently flips back, transforming into a full platform for maximum adaptability and ease of use. Take your hunting to new locations with ease. Its lightweight and portable construction makes transportation and setup a breeze, enhancing your expedition's flexibility. Enjoy ample space for movement and strategic positioning on the wide stance platform. It offers generous room to maneuver, ensuring you're always ready for the perfect shot. Weighing just 17 pounds, this stand is engineered for the dedicated hunter. It combines stability, comfort, and portability for a superior hunting experience. What we like. This hang-on tree stand prioritizes portability and stealth for the adaptable hunter. If you value the flexibility to set up in various locations quickly and quietly, this stand is ideal. Its lightweight design and silent straps mean less disturbance to your game, giving you a strategic advantage. What people say. This stand is large, sturdy and easy to hang. Nice quiet stand. It seems to handle the elements well. It is comfortable to sit on for extended periods. Number 2. Muddy MLS 1550 Skybox Deluxe 20-foot ladder tree stand. Get the ultimate advantage with this essential hunting tree stand. Designed for comfort and security, it allows you to sit high above your prey for extended periods. Constructed with a heavy-duty steel frame, this stand is built for durability and longevity. It's perfect for tackling rugged outdoor environments season after season. Enhance your hunting experience with its tall design and ultra-compact platform. Stay hidden and out of sight above the ground for maximum stealth. Enjoy comfort and security with its adjustable padded shooting rail and stability straps. A 4-point safety harness ensures you are safe during long hunting sessions. With a seat height of 21 inches and a supportive backrest, it can handle up to 350 pounds. Carry all your gear with confidence. What we like. Reach new heights in your hunting experience with this 20-foot ladder stand, offering superior elevation and a robust weight capacity. If you're a hunter who prefers a commanding view and needs a stand that can support more gear and a larger frame, this is an excellent option. It combines essential safety features with enhanced comfort for long waits. What people say. Extremely comfortable for long hunts. Nylon washers makes it quieter. The rail in front is solid and perfect for resting your gun. Number 1. Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn Reverse Flow Smoker and Grill. Experience authentic barbecue with versatile performance. You can easily switch between reverse flow and traditional offset smoking methods to achieve your desired results. With ample cooking space, you can smoke multiple large cuts simultaneously. It's perfect for backyard gatherings or extended cooking sessions. Enjoy consistent results thanks to the even distribution of heat and smoke. For baffles beneath the grates ensure uniform cooking across the entire chamber. Keep track of your cooking temperature with the professional gauge. This allows you to make confident adjustments throughout the entire cook. Constructed with heavy gauge steel, it offers exceptional strength and long-lasting performance. You can rely on its durability for years to come. The large charcoal basket supports a steady burn for longer cooks. This means less frequent tending and more time enjoying your barbecue. Easily load fuel and access the ash through the firebox door. This design allows for quicker cleanup without needing to open the main chamber. What we like. Achieve authentic barbecue results with this reverse flow offset smoker and grill, boasting a massive cooking area. If you're passionate about low and slow smoking and need the capacity to handle large cuts for gatherings, this smoker is designed for you. Its reverse flow system ensures consistent heat distribution for perfectly cooked food every time. What people say. Temp is always fairly consistent from left to right sides, more so than any other smoker I've had. With some basic care, I can see this smoker lasting me a long time. It is built like a tank. Heavy duty, and well constructed. Highly recommend. Outstanding quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.